Hey there, ocean explorers. Welcome back to Facts of Life, your go-to place for mind-blowing facts about the wild world around us. Today, we're diving deep into the blue to uncover some of the most astonishing and surprising secrets about the creatures living beneath the waves. From creatures that hypnotize their prey to fish that practice cannibalism, we've got a lineup of ocean facts that will totally blow your mind. So, buckle up and let's make some waves with these epic sea animal facts. The creatures you see before you are solar-powered, self-decapitating, venom-stealing ocean ninjas. And they're way cooler than you've ever imagined. The animal I am talking about is the sea slug. Number 1. They can steal superpowers from their prey. Some sea slugs can perform kleptoplasty. They eat algae and then keep the algae's chloroplasts in their own cells, allowing them to photosynthesize like plants. Imagine snacking on salad and then sunbathing to feed yourself. Number 2. They can regrow their entire bodies, including the heart. Some sea slugs, like Elysia cf. marginata, can self-decapitate, detach their own heads, and then regrow an entire new body. Yes, including internal organs like the heart. Why? Often to ditch parasites. Number 3. Some mimic their surroundings like shape-shifting ninjas. Certain sea slugs have camouflage abilities that rival octopuses. They can alter their color and texture to blend in with coral or seaweed, becoming nearly invisible to predators. Number 4. Some sea slugs eat their own kind without mercy. Certain species of sea slugs, especially among the nudibranchs, will hunt and devour other sea slugs, even members of their own species. If it fits in their mouth, or even if it's a bit of a struggle, it's fair game. What makes this much scarier is they know what they're doing. This isn't random aggression. Sea slugs often target smaller, weaker, or younger slugs. The larger slug will track, attack, and bite chunks off its victim, sometimes eating it piece by piece. Number 5. Some slugs use love darts. Yes, seriously. In some species like Chromodorus, sea slugs use sharp, dagger-like structures to stab their partner during mating. This isn't aggression, it's meant to deliver hormones that increase the slug's own reproductive success. Number 6. Sea slugs evolved from shelled ancestors. Modern sea slugs evolved from snail-like ancestors with shells. Over millions of years, some species lost their shells entirely, trading hard protection for flexibility, camouflage, and chemical defenses. This is why many nudibranchs are soft-bodied today. They're also survivors. They've been around for over 200 million years. Fossil evidence suggests that sea slugs have existed since at least the Triassic period. Over 200 million years ago, roaming the oceans while dinosaurs walked the earth. The next majestic creature we will be talking about is arguably one of the most iconic creatures in the ocean: the clownfish. Number 1. They live in poison and love it. Clownfish live among the stinging tentacles of sea anemones, which are toxic to most fish. But clownfish have a special mucus coating on their skin that protects them from the sting and lets them live safely in a place others avoid. Number 2. They have a strict social order. Clownfish groups have a hierarchy. The big boss are the females. Next on the totem are the breeding males. Last on the list are the non-breeding males, which are the lowest of the low in the hierarchy. These clownfish have basically no privileges within the hierarchy. If the female dies, the breeding male replaces its genitals and takes her place. Number 3. Clownfish can exhibit cannibalistic behavior. Clownfish are known to eat their own eggs or those of others under certain conditions. Cannibalism in clownfish is usually driven by stress, poor water conditions, or overcrowding in tanks. In the wild, it's rarer but still possible, especially in densely populated anemones. Number 4. They're covered in mucus armor. Clownfish don't get stung by sea anemones because they're coated in a special mucus that masks their scent. This mucus acts like a cloaking device against the anemone's deadly nematocysts. Number 5. They can recognize their family members. Clownfish have an incredible olfactory memory and can identify siblings by scent even after being separated. Number 6. Fights are mostly about dominance, not death. Clownfish don't usually fight to kill. Their battles are about establishing or defending social rank within their group. The hierarchy is strict. One female at the top, followed by a dominant male, then smaller subordinate males. We now move on to a sea creature that in one strike will deliver you to death's door. I am talking about the sea snake. Number 1. Super venomous. Sea snakes are among the most venomous snakes in the world. Some species have venom 10 times more potent than a cobra's. Thankfully, they're shy and rarely bite humans. Number 2. They breathe air. Even though they live in the ocean, sea snakes are not fish. They're reptiles and must surface to breathe, typically every 30 minutes to a few hours, depending on the species. Number 3. Flat tails like a paddle. Most sea snakes have a flattened, paddle-shaped tail, making them excellent swimmers, almost like underwater ribbons. Number 4. They can breathe through their skin. Some sea snakes can absorb up to 25% of the oxygen they need through their skin, which helps them stay underwater longer. Number 5. Mistaken identity during mating. Sometimes, male sea snakes mistake other males for females during the breeding season and end up attacking them. These encounters can escalate to cannibalism if the aggressor is large enough. Number 6. They're ocean-going cousins of cobras. Sea snakes evolved from land-dwelling elapids, the same snake family as cobras, mambas, and coral snakes. Around 6 to 8 million years ago, some of these snakes began adapting to life in the sea. Over time, they developed flattened tails, salt glands, and lung adaptations. Okay, ocean lovers, the next animal we will be talking about is a creature with a distinct shape head. It is absolutely unmistakable. I am talking about the hammerhead shark. Number 1. Their hammer is called a cephalofoil. The flattened, hammer-shaped head is known as a cephalofoil. It gives them 360-degree vision, improved electrosensory perception, and enhanced maneuverability. It's not just weird-looking, it's evolutionally brilliant. Number 2. Hammerheads have surprisingly large brains. Compared to other sharks, hammerheads have larger brains relative to body size, which may contribute to their complex social behaviors and possibly higher intelligence among sharks. Number 3. They're social, unlike most sharks. Many hammerhead species, especially the scalloped hammerhead, form schools of up to 100 or more individuals, particularly during the day. At night, they go solo to hunt. Number 4. They use Earth's magnetic field to navigate. Hammerheads possess magnetoreception, allowing them to detect and use Earth's magnetic field like a biological GPS during migration. Number 5. They're supercharged predator sensors. Their wide head allows them to pack in more ampullae of Lorenzini tiny electrosensory pores, letting them detect the faint electrical fields of hidden prey, like stingrays buried under sand. Number 6. Hammerheads are stingray specialists. Some hammerhead species, especially the great hammerhead, prefer stingrays and are specially adapted to pin them down with their wide heads while they bite. Also, hammerhead sharks family Sphyrnidae are believed to have evolved around 20-25 million years ago during the Miocene epoch. Some estimates suggest their lineage may go back even closer to 50 million years, based on fossil teeth comparisons. The next majestic creature I will be discussing is one that you will be shocked is an ocean animal, the penguin. Number 1. Penguins are ocean birds disguised in tuxedos. Penguins spend up to 75% of their lives in the ocean, not on land. Their streamlined bodies, flipper-like wings, and waterproof feathers make them expert underwater hunters, capable of flying through water faster than most fish. They're biologically more suited to life in the sea than on land. Number 2. Some penguins live in the tropics, not all like it cold. Contrary to popular belief, not all penguins live in icy climates. The Galapagos penguin lives near the equator. It's the only penguin species found north of the equator, thanks to the cold Humboldt current that cools the surrounding waters. Number 3. They can fly underwater at highway speeds. The fastest penguin, the Gentoo, can swim at up to 22 miles per hour. That's faster than Olympic swimmer Michael Phelps and rivals the cruising speed of a moped. Number 4. Penguins use bubbles to boost speed like underwater jetpacks. Some penguins, like the Adelian emperor, release air bubbles from under their feathers to reduce water drag. This makes them zoom upward when escaping predators or leaping onto ice nature's built-in turbo mode. Number 5. Emperor penguin dads are some of nature's most dedicated parents. Male emperor penguins fast for over 2 months in Antarctica's brutal winter while incubating their single egg on their feet under a flap of skin called a brood pouch. They huddle for warmth and wait for the females to return from fishing. These amazing creatures also have antifreeze proteins in their blood. To survive icy Antarctic waters, penguins produce special proteins that prevent their blood from freezing, keeping them agile and warm in temperatures that would kill most other birds. Number 6. Penguins are living proof of ancient supercontinents. Fossils of giant penguins, some over 6 feet tall, have been found in New Zealand, Antarctica, and South America. These fossils help scientists trace the movement of Gondwana, the ancient southern supercontinent. The last beautiful creature we will be discussing is an animal so smart it's uncanny. I am talking about the dolphin. Number 1. They have names for each other. Dolphins use unique whistles to identify each other, almost like names. Every dolphin has a distinctive whistle that other dolphins recognize. Some researchers believe dolphins can even remember these names for years, and they'll use these whistles to communicate with each other, much like calling out a friend's name. Number 2. They're super smart, like really smart. Dolphins have larger brains relative to their body size than any other animal, aside from humans and some great apes. They can solve complex problems, use tools like sponges to protect their snouts while foraging, and even engage in cooperative hunting strategies. Some studies suggest they have a level of self-awareness and empathy similar to humans. Number 3. Dolphins can sleep with one half of their brain at a time. Known as unihemispheric slow-wave sleep, dolphins can shut down one hemisphere of their brain while keeping the other awake and alert. This ability allows them to keep swimming and breathing, even while they're asleep. It's like they can take a nap but still stay aware of their surroundings. Impressive, right? Number 4. They speak in clicks and whistles. Dolphins don't just make sounds for fun, they use them for communication and echolocation. Their clicks are used to navigate and hunt by bouncing sound off objects, helping them see their environment. Each click pattern is unique to the dolphin and can help it determine the size, shape, and distance of objects in the water. Number 5. Dolphins are not alone in their emotions. Dolphins experience a wide range of emotions. They've been observed engaging in behaviors that indicate joy, grief, and even jealousy. For example, they have been seen mourning the death of a calf or companion, sometimes staying with the body for days, which shows a deep emotional connection. Number 6. Some dolphins have human-like social structures. Dolphin pods are incredibly social, and some species even form alliances or friendships that go beyond their immediate family. For example, male bottlenose dolphins often form long-term alliances with other males to help each other out in mating or protecting their territory. These amazing smarts have been shown in their rescue of humans. Dolphins have been reported to help humans in distress. There are documented cases where dolphins have guided lost swimmers to safety, protected them from sharks, and even helped sailors who were stranded at sea. They seem to have a strong protective instinct when it comes to humans. And that wraps up today's dive into the amazing world of ocean animals. From deep-sea mysteries to fascinating behaviors, there's always more to explore beneath the waves. If you enjoyed these facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a drop of knowledge. Thanks for watching Facts of Life, where curiosity meets discovery. See you next time.